On this video, we will explain why your iPhone screen might be yellowish and how to adjust it. If you notice a yellowish tint on your iPhone screen like I am now, you can see it could be due to the True Tone display feature or maybe night shift. You can open setting on your iPhone. Like you see, the tone of my screen look yellowish. After you open the setting, you can look for the display and brightness. After that, you tap on it and you can check if True Tone is turned on or turned off. If the True Tone is turned on, you can turn it off completely, as we show you on a previous video. Or maybe you can check the night shift. You tap on it. Is it turned on or turned off? If it's turned on, you can adjust the color temperature as we show you in another video. For example, if you want to turn it off, you just turn off the switch on next to the schedule or manually enable until tomorrow. Or maybe you can adjust the slider to less warm to make it bluish compared to yellowish. Or maybe you can check on the color filter. To open the color filter, you open the setting apps and your iPhone. Then after you open the setting, you scroll down until you found accessibility and tap on it and then find the display and text size. Tap on display and text size, then scroll down until you find the color filter. Tap on this. You can toggle the switch next to color filter text to turn it on. After you turn it on, you can select the color tint option. And then you can move to the hue slider to the right to increase the yellowish tint. Or you can adjust the intensity slider to your preferred level of yellowishness. After that, tap on back to save your change. I hope this helped. If neither of these settings is causing the yellowish tint, it could be a hardware issue. In that case, we recommend contacting Apple support for assistance. That's it. You now know how to check and adjust the setting that could be causing your iPhone screen to look yellowish. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!